Okay, here we go. This will be fast. Okay, we finished lesson 4. The stream didn't work. I think it's working now. We went through lesson 4 variables. I'm going to go through it again tomorrow and see if I can get that stream to work better for that one. I'm hoping this one's working now. I'm going to go through assignment number 6, variable basics. Okay, what I want you to do is create a program that'll print the number of chicken wings you can buy if you have $4.75 and they only cost 75 cents. Okay, remember that you can't buy part of a chicken wing. So if I bring this here and I have the correct spot to create something, wherever you're storing your information is fine. I'm going to create it in here. So I'm going to go new class. I'm going to call it assignment 6B because I think I have this done somewhere else. I need my main, so I've created that. All right, now I have a blank program to write with, and I'm going to start off by creating the 2 variables that we know. Okay, and I know that they're going to be doubles because they are given to us in decimal points. So I know the cost of the wings are 75 cents, and I know the total money I have is $4.75. Both of those are doubles, so I have to create them as doubles. If I try cast them as ints, I get an error because this is not an integer. Okay? All right, now I have my 2 variables. I'm going to need a third variable, and I'm going to have to assign it to be a value that is most likely going to be a decimal because I know I'm working with decimals here. My outcome is most likely going to be a decimal. So I say total money divided by wing cost. Terminate program. Okay, so now I've created a third variable, and I've made the value of that variable be the total amount of money I have divided by the number of wings. Okay? Now, if I run this program, I'm going to get nothing because I have no outputs created. So, I have to create my output statement, and I want it to print get wings. Okay, so now I have the variables that were given in the assignment instructions here. And I have my new variable, which includes the operation that I wanted done between the 2 variables. And then I have my print statement to print out the answer. So when I run my program, I get my answer, 6.333. Now, if I was evaluating this, there's nothing wrong with this assignment. It's correct. It's inefficient and it's illogical because of a few things. Number one, when we go back to our assignment, you can see that I have comment requirements. Okay, so I need to bring those in. And comment requirements are always going to be directly under the package. I don't have a package set up right now, but I will. Okay, actually, I need that in there. Now I have all of these things included in here, but I'm getting a bunch of errors. So I need to comment them out. So I go /*. At the end of my comments, I go */. And now I'm going to fill this in. Program name, chicken wing, or whatever you're calling it. My name, Baron. The date that I completed the program, November 24th. program description, eaten chicken wings. Okay, close enough. You would probably put a real description in there, but it's not the end of the world right now. Now, those are my top comments. I'm probably going to have a package declaration up here. That's fine. That would go above the comments. It's the only thing that goes above the comments. Top comments are here. Now, I'm going to need comments within my program too. Now, I understand that this looks stupid because it's such a simple program. Okay? But right now, I'm giving you a 1 out of 4 on the rubric for these comments. This is just 1. It's not enough to just use the top comments. I want other comments. So, and this is maybe a little bit of overkill, but I say variable, and I can't spell. It's okay. Variable declaration. There we go here. I say I really can't. Operation. There we go. 10 tries, you'll get it. Okay, operation, I can leave it as that. And then I could even go further and say output. Okay, that's what I expect for a 4 out of 4. Now, I understand how dumb this seems to put this many comments in this assignment this small. It's better for you to over-comment than under-comment, okay? Include something for everything. Get into the habit of it now so that when you get into the more complex programs, you're commenting as you go. Trust me, I have this assignment in here that I did way back when, a lunch order assignment. I have an error in it, and I just want to delete it because I can't remember what I was doing because I didn't comment it enough. When you get into complex programs, you need to have those comments. So now this is a 4 out of 4 of comments, but I still have some mistakes. Okay, this number is not wrong, but it isn't 100% correct either. If I go to a store, if I go to a restaurant and I say, I would like to buy 6.33333 wings, even if I round it and say I want to buy 6.3 wings, could you please accommodate me? They're not going to let you buy 6.3 wings. So right now this program is illogical. It doesn't fit. It doesn't have the correct logical reasoning that it needs to run the way a program should run. So I have to cast this as an integer. Okay? And I'm going to do that right here. And I'm going to say, even though this is a double, I want the answer to come out as an integer. Because you can't eat part of a wing. The assignment says that. Sorry, you can't buy part of a wing. I don't know what crazy person would ever eat part of a wing either. If there's a wing there, you eat the whole thing. But you can't buy part of a wing. So you can only take as many whole numbers that this operation will allow you. Now when I run this, I get 6.0. Okay, it's dropped the decimal spot. So I get the correct answer because I've cast it as an integer. All right? Still not 100% though. I told you that, taught you this back in 20 with Python. The user's stupid. They're always going to be stupid. And the more often you look at it that way, the better programmer you'll be. If they just see 6 come out, they don't know what that is. They get frustrated and they hate your program. You have to explain everything to them. So rather than just saying get wings, I'm going to say the total number of wings you can buy is, I'm going to put my space in there, plus get wings. Okay, and you can see this is now turned into the color for a string, and then I have my variable there. So now when I print this out, I get a statement explaining what output I'm looking at as well as my output. The total number of wings you can buy is 6. Okay? Simple, easy, it's included everything. This assignment gets 100%. Any questions? Now's the time.